let's make chicken fried chicken. Okay, so for the chicken fried chicken, you're gonna need some thin sliced chicken breast, or you can get the regular size and thin it out, fillet it, some eggs, breadcrumbs, and flour. Also, I'll be using these seasonings to season the flour. Oh, don't do that. Okay, I'm seasoning my eggs as well. Black pepper, Montreal chicken, season all, garlic powder, roasted garlic and herbs. Now we're gonna mix it. Meanwhile, put your oil to heat up. Other plate, I'm gonna have all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna put all the same seasonings. Now I'm gonna mix it all in. And then another plate, I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs. I got your piece of chicken, dip it in the flour. It's well coated. Now we're gonna dip it in the egg mixture. That's missing some. Turn it. And now we're gonna dip it in the breadcrumbs, just like this. Go ahead and turn it. Just like that. Shake off the excess, and now to the pan. We're gonna fry it. I cooked for 4 minutes on each side. It should look like this, and it's done. Just like that, you got some chicken fried chicken. Some mac and cheese. Now the chicken fried chicken. And this is dinner. What do you mean?